Hello,
Hi, my name is from America. What's your name?
I'm Sultan and I'm from Pakistan.
Nice to meet you, Sultan.
Nice to meet you too.
So I have an appointment in about 20, 19, 18, 17 minutes. So I won't be able to do the full 30-minute with you. Do you still want to talk with me today, or would you like to talk with another tutor?
No, it's okay. No problem.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So what would you like to talk about or work on today?
I just want to have a free conversation
All
to
right.
practice my work. Yeah.
Perfect. So do you have any hobbies or things that you like to do?
Yes, I sometimes I read books and I also watch movies.
Mhm. And what about the movies? What kind of movies do you like to watch?
I watch sci-fi movies, mystery movies. Yes.
Okay. And what kind of sci-fi movies have you seen that you really, really love?
Uh, Actually, I watch movies and I don't remember. So usually the movies which are related to multiverse, those movies which that talk about uh, another world. I like those movies.
Okay. Have you seen 2012?
I don't remember. Maybe.
So that movie, I've never seen it, but I know that that movie is about how the world was supposed to end in 2012, and they made a movie about it as if the world did end, and people were trying to survive in that world. I've never seen it though, but I heard it was a really great movie.
Okay. Okay. Right. Yes, I have also heard about it, but I have never watched it.
Mm-hmm. What about any supernatural kind of movies? Do you like anything like that, like zombies or vampires or werewolves?
Not zombies. I don't like zombies movies.
Okay. What about any of the Marvel movies, like the Avengers? Do you watch any of those?
Yeah, I have recently watched uh, the Avengers, and I liked it. Actually, I'm not a big fan of Marvel movies and Avengers, but I
Mm-hmm.
think I maybe I have watched only the short clips instead of the whole movie. But
Okay.
yes, but I like mystery movies. I like Lucy. Maybe you have heard of her, this
Yeah.
movie.
With Scarlett Johansson, who's also in the Avengers.
Yes.
Hmm. I've never seen Lucy. What is that about?
So it is about like what happens when you start using 100% of your mind.
Hmm.
And at present, according to that movie, the human beings can only access to 30% of their mind, or maybe 5%. I don't remember.
Hmm.
But when you have full access to your mind, so you can do wonders. You will be like a superhero.
Oh wow, okay, yeah. I've seen some clips of Lucy, and I've seen where they had her in prison and she escaped by um kind of using basic instinct,
Mhm.
and like she was able to get out of the prison by kind of like bribing the guard and then just like knocking him out.
Right.
But I don't remember a lot about the movie. I think that she had drugs explode inside of her body and that's why she can access that much, but I don't remember.
Yeah. So it was about that that drug. It was a, a type of a chemical which can give you access to 100% of your mind.
Oh yeah, okay.
Where are you from?
I am from America, specifically from California.
California. Okay. And what time is it there?
9:50 in the morning. So 9:50 a.m.
Wow. Okay. Would you like to tell me a little about yourself?
Yeah. So my name is Araceli. That's very hard for people to remember or pronounce. So Sally is perfectly fine to say. I
Right.
am 21 years old. I've only ever visited areas inside of America, but I've always wanted to travel. So I kind of get to do that through Cambly by like hearing other people's stories and where they're from. And I love learning about different cultures and different religions. And
Mhm.
I love learning about different people.
So I just want to know what is the situation over there in California related to COVID-19? How have you been doing with it?
So for me personally, or the entirety of the US.
Like entire US or specifically your area, and you can also share your experience as well.
Okay, so for the entire US, there are no big COVID spikes as of now.
Hmm.
Everything is declining. So
Right.
there's nothing huge that's going on anymore. And it's not as bad as it was a few months ago. And it's definitely not as bad as it was last year. Um, I know that there are rules and regulations now that not a lot of people follow. And if you are vaccinated, if you have the vaccination, you do not have to wear the mask at all. You can go
Oh.
into everywhere without a mask except healthcare areas like hospitals
Hmm.
or schools and healthcare areas. You need to wear a face covering mask every single time.
Right.
So everywhere else, if you have the vaccination, you do not have to if you don't want to. A lot of Americans claim that they are vaccinated and they just don't wear the mask at all. And no one is allowed to ask because asking is illegal. So,
Oh.
yeah, if people ask if they're vaccinated, then that they can get in trouble and it's against the law to do that because it's an invasion of their rights as Americans. So, I know in other
Oh.
countries there's rules and regulations that they have to always wear a mask. That's not the case here in America.